Inspire Institute of Technologies Pakistan is offering you LicQual Level 2 Diploma in Specialist Installation Occupations, Construction. The LicQual Level 2 Diploma in Specialist Installation Occupations, Construction qualification provides a nationally recognized qualification for those working in the construction and the built environment sector working across a broad range of areas. They are designed to assess occupational competence in the workplace where candidates are required to demonstrate skills and knowledge to a level required in the construction industry. The qualification has been accredited onto the Regulated Qualifications Framework, RQF, and is published on OFQL's Register of Qualifications. Admission open. For registration call us on 92-321-5056-755 or WhatsApp us on 92-331-5999-937. Visit our website www.iitpakistan.com.pk or mail us at info@iitpakistan.com.pk.